Hey YouTube, quick video on delimiting this electric mountain bike from China. The brand is called Eleglide M2, but it's quite generic. There's a lot of bikes that look exactly the same like this, but with a different design or brand label, but it's basically the same bike. So you can see if I turn the throttle, it will get to 25 kilometers an hour. So I'm turning the throttle, and it should get to basically 25 kilometers an hour. That's what it's been limited to. You can see the back wheel there. Now in the menu guide itself, it gives advice on how to change the default setting. So you have to press plus and minus together and then go to the third menu option. And it says, and then you press the light switch underneath, and that's the 25 kilometers an hour. And let's see what the maximum speed I can put it to. Okay, 30, I think. Let's just check that. No, 31, 32. So if I press the light switch again, that should be saved at 32, and then okay, so now hopefully that's saved. If I turn the throttle again, let's see if it goes up to 32. You saw it got to 25 last time. No. Oh yeah. Whoa. Yeah. Cool. So now it's 32, but 32 kilometers an hour is the max it can be set to. Hope that's useful. If you've got a bike like this and you can do the same thing, let us know. Or can you do something similar? Do you have a Chinese bike with instructions on how to delimit it or make it faster? If so, put it in the comments below. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks.